Meet Posha, your family's private chef, designed to automate everyday cooking and make eating effortless for you. Posha lives on your kitchen countertop and prepares meals with care and precision, just the way you like them. Here's how it works. Pick a recipe, load the ingredients, water and oil, and don't forget the spice pods. Then just tap cook. That's it. Posha takes over.
Powered by computer vision and culinary intuition. It measures, drops, sautés, stirs, and seasons, all at the right time, at the right temperature.
Checks the consistency, monitors doneness, and brings the dish together, just like a chef would. It watches over your food with a built-in camera, ensuring every dish is cooked to perfection. Posha adapts to your family's tastes and preferences, so every meal feels personal and uniquely yours. With over 500 recipes, real-time updates on your phone, and flawless results every time. Posha turns cooking into a moment of calm in your busy day. Because great meals aren't just about the food, they're about the time and love you get to share. Posha. So nothing comes in the way of love.